All right, Ms. Snow, I read the incident report on this. I'm going to treat this like a brain fart. I'm going to put you on a 12-month non-reporting probation. I'm going to assess fines and costs of $300. I'm hanging over your head for 12 months. You do anything stupid, I'm going to put you in jail.
In a Michigan courtroom, a routine retail fraud case takes an unexpected turn. A homeless man stands before the judge, accused of stealing food from a store when asked. He doesn't deny it. Instead, he calmly admits to taking expensive steaks, saying they were his go-to, but behind the crime is a deeper story of struggle, survival, and desperation. As the judge listens, the tone shifts from strict questioning to cautious understanding. This isn't just about theft, it's about circumstances, choices, and consequences. One confession, one decision, and a moment that shows how justice can balance law with humanity.
I'd like to discuss it, but I think it's within the court's discretion whether you want to refer it to probation or not. Actually speaking, Your Honor, this involved an allegation against this individual's the father of her biological child and her pregnancy. They're going through proceedings with CPS. You know this. There's a lot of things going on back and forth that aren't within these police reports. What happened was there was a gunshot that was fired with threats being made, but it wasn't physically in her presence. When she reported this to police, she'd been advised by her family. There was a good idea to tell them that you were with them instead of saying it happened over the phone because, well, then the police will go get it. So it's not right. If she knows that that was illegal, she understands it was illegal. But I tell you all this, Your Honor, because I don't think that this is a criminally minded individual. I think she really relied upon bad advice. And I explained to her you should be getting legal advice from lawyers moving forward, and that's about it. Again, financially speaking, Your Honor, limited right now. So with all those things being considered, that's really why we're asking. I think that if you want to do probation and look through it, I understand and see kind of what's going on, but I just don't know that.
Okay.
Witness.
All right. Ma'am, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Hadley? You understand those rights and the options they give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? Are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily? All right. On June 15, 2024, did you make a police report with the City of Rye Mills Police Department? And did you give them some information that was not factually correct? Are you satisfied? All right, give me just a minute.
Yes.
Just give me some. Also,
Get over anything. He has a new house.
What's his name?
Scott.
Scott. Apparently, eventually there will be an adjournment on something.
That's correct.
Yeah, so Scott, there will eventually be, but you don't have it in front of you.
No, that was gonna be when we ended all this. When we had this one event about the law.
Yeah.
Who's looking on Zoom? Is anybody looking on Zoom? Yes.
Well, you know what, go ahead with.
Yeah, we can see your.
You don't mind me filling in for you on that?
No, no. They're all good to go.
Oh, thank you.
Are you working? Where do you work? How many hours a week?
Work 3 to 4 days a week right now.
That doesn't tell me anything. You might work 1 hour a day.
About 4 hours a day.
Okay.
I work in 1 7 6.
All right. So you're working 15, 16 hours a week tops. All right. All right. Anything else you want me to know before I set the terms of sentence? All right, Ms. Snow, I read the incident report on this. I'm going to treat this like a brain fart. I'm going to put you on a 12-month non-reporting probation. I'm going to assess fines and costs of $300. I'm hanging over your head for 12 months. You do anything stupid, I'm going to put you in jail. You got to be smart. I'm sure there's a defense attorney out there somewhere that would argue with this, but I don't think lying to police is ever a good idea. Not talking to police might be a good idea.
Lying to police is never a good idea.
I mean,
Asserting your right to remain silent is one thing, but making any kind of affirmative statement.
I see these situations, Miss Stone, and you don't need to lecture, but I'm just going to feel better if I give it to you.
I need my.
I see these situations all the time, and my mind always goes, because I've done what I've done for so long, my mind always goes where this could have gone. Okay? They get a report that somebody's fired shots at somebody else, they being the police. The police go to investigate. They're on heightened alert because they think they've got a shooter situation. The person they're going to talk to is a little extra paranoid or just a little having a bad day. So he or she's not on their best behavior. The cops are already all amped up because they think somebody's been shot at. And next thing you know, there's somebody laying dead on the ground because somebody lied to the cops. Well, I can tell by your face that you know you screwed up, but knowing you screwed up after it happened doesn't fix it. So I'm just telling you, for 12 months, you better do better because this file's hanging over your head and it's 93 days in jail. All right.
Discuss as well, Your Honor, again with the motivation behind making this actually backfires now anyways because of. She's aware.
Absolutely.
This is gonna reverberate through the.
Gave him ammunition.
She's aware.
Pun intended.
So thank you for hearing us out today, Your Honor.
If you don't have the $300 today, go downstairs, talk to our people down there about options, payment plan, due date, whatever you need. Good luck. Okay, Ms. Stone, come on up.
Good morning, Attorney Josh Hadley, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Ms. Bernice Stone, who's been sitting here for the record.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are going to be pleading as charged. We had a chance to plead the last case, so I can read the arraignment, and move forward with, brief allocution.
Okay,
I know they're requesting a PSI in this matter. I saw that. It's not on the plea form.
oh, I was gonna say, I don't see it. Okay,
I
we'll
did
talk about it.
submit it. And again, I think if I can go grab Mr. Greco, if you like.